Today is another special one for us here at Austin Vintage Wheels. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have this brand new 2024 Royal Enfield shotgun that Royal Enfield has lent to me to go take some rides and do some videos and give them a report, do a review on exactly what I think of this beauty. First look, I just got it yesterday. First look is, it really is a sharp, well-built bike. So let's go take it for a preliminary ride and see what it rides like. All right, let's see what this girl does. Full shower suspension. Of course, it's fuel injected. No need to do any choke. There you go, fires right up. So this Royal Enfield, it's the powertrain is based on the same 650 motor in the INT. It's very smooth, modern motor, of course fuel injected, water cooled, and Royal Enfield has just done amazing things over the last decade. I mean, back here 20 years ago in 2004, 2005, I was the dealer for Royal Enfield here in Austin. And man, those bikes, that was a Royal Enfield Bullet 500, 4-speed gearbox with drum brakes. They were truly 1950s technology at that time. But they have really spent the money on engineering, and the technology and quality of these bikes is on par with anything out there. Full shower suspension, modern engine design, 6-speed gearbox, fine handling, good brakes, and they managed to maintain that Royal Enfield look in the very popular retro modern, I guess, class is what it would be, competing with the likes of Triumph and even Yamaha, Kawasaki and others that are doing bikes with older styling, but modern quality in materials and in the engines. The instruments are a really neat display. I haven't figured it all out yet, but you got your speedometer, gear selector, odometer, and this is the links to your GPS, your Google Maps, and will give you directions on turns. I haven't tried it out yet. I just got the Royal Enfield app, and so I'll be linking that up next, and we certainly will be testing that out over the next couple of weeks when we ride this girl out to Birmingham, Alabama for the Barber Vintage Motorcycle Weekend. right then, well, after that ride to Moto Social last night, I have a couple first impressions on it. It's a very nicely built bike. It's strong brakes, rides really nice, comfortable riding position, well built. A little soft on the power, but it's an eager engine. It really wants to rev, makes a nice intake noise under full throttle, so that encourages you to twist the gas. So over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be riding this thing out to the Barber Vintage Festival and give you some impressions after it's about 700 or 800 miles, and we're going to do it over 2 or 3 days. Take a look at the map and you'll see our stops here. This is going to be the Peckerheads annual epic ride. It's going to be from Austin out to East Texas, and from there we're going to head over to Leesville, Louisiana, and then to Brookhaven, Mississippi, and then Thomasville, Alabama, and finally we're going to end up in Birmingham for the Barber Vintage Festival, spend a few days there and check out the scenes. That's a fantastic event, and I'm really looking forward to getting out there and seeing all the action. So stay with me, like and subscribe, and follow along as we ride this beautiful Royal Enfield shotgun halfway across the country to Alabama.